YouTube earnings have been skyrocketing in 2025, but a major question remains. Are long videos or shorts more profitable? In this video, we'll break down the numbers, compare CPM rates, and figure out which format brings in the most cash. In 2025, YouTube creators have seen significant increases in their revenues, mainly due to higher CPM rates, the amount paid per 1,000 views. For long videos, the CPM jumped from $1.60 in January to about $2 in February. In contrast, shorts CPM rates increased modestly from 3 cents to 4 cents. This difference is huge when you consider the potential earnings. For example, a long video with 1.5 million views generated around $2,400, while shorts with 13 million views brought in only about $400. This proves that despite higher view counts, shorts struggle to match the profitability of longer content. The reason long videos are more profitable comes down to ad types and audience retention. Long videos allow for multiple ads, including skippable and non-skippable ads, banners, and mid-rolls. These diverse ad formats attract advertisers who are willing to pay higher CPM rates. Additionally, longer videos tend to build a stronger connection with viewers, increasing the chances of higher engagement and more ads being served. Unlike shorts, which are quickly swiped past, long videos keep viewers invested, making them a better bet for advertisers. Shorts can pull in massive view counts, but the CPM rates tell a different story. With a CPM of less than 5 cents, even millions of views can generate surprisingly low earnings. For example, a shorts video with 13 million views only made about $400, which is far less than what a long video with fewer views can earn. The issue is that shorts rely on a different ad model where ads aren't directly attached to every video. Instead, YouTube pools the ad revenue and distributes it based on views and watch time, leading to lower payouts for creators. Live streams are another lucrative option for YouTube creators. They not only offer ad revenue, but also allow for direct monetization through super chats, memberships, and donations. A successful live stream can sometimes match or even surpass the earnings from long videos, especially when supported by an engaged community. However, live streams require a dedicated audience and consistent scheduling, which might not be sustainable for every creator. So what's the best approach for 2025? The numbers make it clear. Long videos should be your main focus if you're aiming for higher earnings. Posting 3 to 4 long videos per month combined with a few live streams appears to be the most profitable strategy. Shorts can still play a role in gaining visibility and attracting new subscribers, but they shouldn't be your primary revenue source. For a balanced strategy, use shorts to pull in new viewers and direct them to your long-form content where the real money is. This approach allows you to leverage the strengths of both formats effectively. In 2025, YouTube has become more competitive, but the winning strategy is clear. Focus on long videos for sustainable revenue, supplement with live streams, and use shorts strategically to grow your audience. With this approach, you can maximize your earnings and make the most out of the YouTube gold rush. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on boosting your YouTube income.